Day 84 reviews JobTrackr security basics. Password hashing and JWT validation are mostly in place, but the local signing key must move out of tracked app settings and into .NET user secrets. The review shows passwords are hashed, login verifies password hashes, JWT validation checks issuer, audience, lifetime, signature, and key, and tasks require authentication. The tracked key storage is the fix for today. The JWT signing key creates and validates token signatures. Anyone with that key can create trusted tokens, so the old development value in app settings must be treated as compromised. Initialize .NET user secrets for the API project. This adds a user secrets ID to the project file. The ID is safe to commit because the real secret is stored outside the repository. Generate a new local key, save it as JWT:key with user secrets, then remove the PowerShell variable. Do not paste the generated value into code, config, screenshots, commits, or chat messages. Edit appsettings.json. Keep the non-secret issuer and audience values, but remove the key property from tracked configuration. Do not add the real key to development app settings. Confirm user secrets contains JWT:key, then check the git diff and run git grep for the old development value. The generated secret must not appear in repository changes. Run the API in development. ASP.NET Core loads user secrets automatically. Login should return a newly signed token and should not throw that the JWT key is missing. Do not claim all authorization is complete. Complete and reopen still need ownership checks, user's controller is still public, and /health is intentionally public because it returns only healthy. Stop after the user secrets ID and app settings cleanup. Do not redesign password hashing. Do not change controllers or services, then build release and run the 15 existing tests.